Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use Fire TV stick without remote. Let's go. Your Fire stick and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Fire TV app. Choose your TV. Enter code. Now you can control the Fire Stick via your phone. If you don't like the Fire TV app, use any other. You can also control the Fire Stick using the remote control from the main TV. Or using the keyboard. That's it. Now you know how to use Fire TV stick without remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.